हे गाइस, वेलकम टू अनबॉक्सिंग लाइफ। दिस इज़ अनीशा और आज मैं आपको लेके जा रही हूँ एक बहुत ही यूनिक बुटीक होटल में लोकेटेड इन द ब्यूटीफुल सिटी ऑफ मनाली। होटल का नाम है उर्वशीज रिट्रीट। इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द वेलकम हेरिटेज ग्रुप एंड इज वन ऑफ द टॉप रेटेड होटल्स इन मनाली। सो लेट्स गेट गोइंग। With all the facilities of a big resort chain, this small boutique hotel is your perfect luxury hideout in the Himalayas. There is a huge garden to enjoy the views over a game of table tennis or a cup of tea. ये गार्डन एक्चुअली एक एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड है, बट क्योंकि हम विंटर्स में गए थे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली द ट्रीज वर ऑल ड्राई, बट इट स्टिल लुक्ड क्वाइट लवली. There were multiple natural streams flowing through the property, adding a very relaxing vibe to the entire scene. होटल का जिम काफ़ी वेल इक्विप्ड है. वेट्स, कार्डियो, योगा से लेके बॉक्सिंग तक हर तरह का वर्कआउट आप यहाँ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. The spa has a good selection of treatments on offer and I would say rates भी काफ़ी रीजनेबल हैं. And now we are moving to the main building, which houses the restaurant, the bar, the game room, and a few rooms, including the room where we stayed. And yes, don't miss out the view. Very highly rated across platforms, Urvashi Retreat is a part of the Khimsar group of hotels. It is the passion project of Miss Urvashi Singh, who hails from a royal family from Rajasthan, and royalty is indeed very effortlessly ingrained in every aspect of the property. The tastefully decorated dining room offers spectacular views of the Himalayas and the apple orchards around the property. The interiors are really pretty, unique and chic. ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे में कॉन्टिनेंटल से लेके इंग्लिश, नॉर्थ इंडियन से लेके साउथ इंडियन हर प्रेफरेंस के लिए ऑप्शंस हैं. स्टाफ बहुत फ्रेंडली है और फूड अमेजिंगली टेस्टी है. And of course, eating with these views is an experience in itself. हमने लोकल राजस्थानी से लेके चाइनीज़, इटालियन हर तरह की डिश ट्राई की. एंड यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, सब कुछ इक्वली अच्छा था. वी रियली एंजॉयड ईच एंड एवरी मील वी हैड देयर. And now we are moving to the most interesting public area in the hotel, the bar cum game, cum chill out, cum living room. The floral curtains, the huge fireplace, and very plush sofas gave a very filmy vibe to the whole space. Just like any other corner in the hotel, the room was very beautifully decorated. The bar is a bit overpriced, but it has a good variety of both local and imported brands. Don't miss out on their specialty apple toddy for the much needed warmth on a cold evening. Right next to this room was an equally pretty pool room, जहां हमने काफी टाइम स्पेंड किया. Just imagine how relaxing it would have been playing with these views in sight and a cocktail in hand. And finally, coming to the room tour. Commitment to quality and standards के बारे में मैं जितना बोलूँ कम है. All furniture was ultra premium and highest standard. 55-inch Sony TV with HD channels, high quality sheet and very comfortable bed. The interiors were a perfect balance between modern and antique styles. Every detail reflected luxury and class quite effortlessly. As you can see, wood and stone are the two prominently visible elements used in the interiors, and they look great. This is one of the superior rooms located within the main building of the hotel. It has a separate living room and an access to the main garden area. The washroom was sparkling clean and quite spacious with high-end fittings. There were premium Kama Ayurveda products as toiletries in beautiful reusable bottles. क्योंकि हम फैमिली के साथ गए थे, हमने 2 रूम्स बुक किए थे और दोनों अलग रूम टाइप्स थे. What I am going to show you next is the deluxe Rohtang view room. क्वालिटी, फर्नीचर, स्टैंडर्ड, फैसिलिटी वाइज कोई बड़ा डिफरेंस नहीं है. The main difference is that this room doesn't have a separate living area, and since it's on the first floor, the view is better. One thing you certainly can't help noticing is the presence of Rajputana Collective magazines on the writing table, which is a lifestyle publication run by the owner Urvashi Singh herself. Well, that concludes our room tour. बट इस अमेजिंग होटल को गुड बाय बोलने से पहले लेट्स गो फॉर वन फाइनल वॉक. One final walk to soak in the views and to appreciate the beauty of the mountains. And to have a look at the owner's own bungalow located within the property. It's called the Brooks Villa. We had an amazing time staying in this awesome property and hope to go back sometime soon. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you did. This is Anisha signing off. Till next time, stay safe, stay awesome. Bye-bye.